Welcome to the Copy Trade Podcast. 213 trades taken, 1,220 pips in profit. This is episode number 5. You'll notice I will give you an update in this episode. In the past 4 episodes, I was essentially building what I was calling the FX podcast, but I have done a switch up. Here we are moving forward in episode 5. I'm going to cover the results Monday through Friday of my copy trade service. And again, I'll show you, we'll log into my virtual private server. We'll look at my MT4 installation, and I have 2 different feeds that I run. I will show you those. But again, 213 total trades taken with 1,220 pips in profit. That's pretty amazing. I'm going to go ahead and click the button here, and I'm going to go over to, first we'll go over to my website here. And let me share my screen with you. So 1 second. I'm going to click that. Okay, so over at my website here, fxwithterry.com, you can get access to my copy trade service, my exact copy trades. The second button here, the yellow button, copy trade 24-hour results. If I click that, I'm going to go ahead and do that and share this with you. It will take you to my YouTube channel, where of course we're live doing podcast, the Copy Trade Podcast, episode number 5. But you'll also get to see that I regularly publish the results here in the community tab. And you can see, like I said, 213 trades, 1,220 pips. Now let's go on over to my copy trade MT4 installation. Basically, it's my VPS server. So let me click the button. We'll go there now. Here it is. And this one is, let me take a look here. We're looking at account history. This one is, there's going to be just a little bit of a delay. Well, let's come back here for a second. There's a little bit of a delay, and you're looking at my desktop here. Let's come back to the community tab, and we'll let that thing refresh real quick. And essentially what I'm going to do is I'll take you over and I'll show you the results of my, of course, I'm live here, so we're going to have to take the delay. I have a bunch of different MT4 terminals open on my VPS server, and right now it's at the end of the week. We're coming up on market close in about 45 minutes here. And so there's a lot of activity, a lot of stuff going on. So let me put something up on the screen here real quick. Let me do this, and then give me a second. I'm going to go over and reconfigure my VPS server. And I'll open up a couple of, basically what I have is 2 different feeds. So let me share this one with you. We're looking at my VPS server here. And this feed, move some things around on my desktop here. This feed is what I call my 10 pip automation. This feed works really, really well with certainly any size account, because one of the advantages you have with my copy trade service is you have a control panel, which I will show you in a second here. You have a control panel to be able to accept any number of trades. And what I'll do while we're doing this, I'll put the image up on the screen. So you have the ability to accept any number of trades. Let me move this around a little bit so we can see the numbers, and then back to my VPS. So you have the ability, this particular, the 10 pip automation that we're looking at here, and all of my trade feeds, when you get into the copy trade service, you can have all of them. And I have 2 very dedicated ones right now. One's called 10 pip automation, which we're looking at now. And one is called micro scalper, which we'll look at in a second here. Micro scalper takes a lot of trades. This particular, the 10 pip automation we're looking at, took about, I think, 28 trades last night, in the last 24 hours. And the rest of the 213, so about 185, I think, were all in the micro scalper. So back to the 10 pip automation here. The point behind this is, first, like I said, the fact that you have a control panel, and you don't, if one profitable trade at a time at a very high lot size. Now you'll notice, just being transparent here, I run my copy trade robots and my system on a $100,000 demo account. Now right now, you can see we're only $131 in drawdown. Again, it's the end of the week here. Market's getting ready to close in about 40 minutes. And I send you the trades at 0.01 lot size, and this particular automation will actually send you trades at slightly higher lot sizes to recover any losses in a what's called a basket set of trades. So if my automation system takes a slight loss on a currency pair, it will go into a trade again when it's ready to do that, and it'll go at a slightly higher lot size. It's called martingale, whatever, however you want to say that. But what it does is it goes into a slightly higher lot size if it has taken a loss. So nonetheless, I won't get too far into this, and I don't want to keep these episodes too long, but again, 213 trades is really cool, all automated, no intervention on your part, and 1,220 pips. A lot of times I say, how much did you bid? Now, of course, I'm, again, sending you the trades at 10 cents. Bid, but you have the ability with a control panel, which again, I'll show you at the end here. You have the ability with the control panel to accept any number of trades and any lot size. So if you bid $1 in this case, $1 per pip, you would have made 1,220 pips. If you bid $10, you'd have made $12,200. It's completely, of course, it's based off of your account size, but let's also be transparent there. I don't really suggest long term that you trade your own money when you can go to a prop firm, a proprietary trading firm, and I recommend a lot of them, and I give help to go through the evaluation. For example, right now I know you can get a $100,000 account for $500. You go through a 60-day evaluation. You use my 10-pip automation here, and $1,000, and we made $8,000 the first week. Now that's excessive. It's aggressive. I'm over leveraging the account, but I wanted to show everyone that this works and these trades work, and the fact that you have complete autonomy with how many trades you accept from the system and how much you bid per pip. You can turn it up, you can turn it down, you can turn it off. It's pretty straightforward. So let me do a quick switch here. Let me get rid of that image. Let me put this back up, and I'm going to switch accounts here and make sure that it is working properly. That particular account that I was clicking on for some reason, because I think we have I'm doing a live connection here. Here I have it. Basically, what I'm going to show you now